Okay, so I ordered these garden hoops up. They seem to be a pretty good deal. I've been wanting to do something. I mean, I used to use hula hoops and they worked fine. Thought I'd give this a try. So the idea mainly is I want to be able to get my peppers outside a lot earlier this year in order to give them a bit more time to produce. So anyway, let's open it up. Open it up. Not super happy it came from Amazon, but I'll keep my personal beliefs out of this a little bit. All right, so the packaging so far seems adequate. Oh, we got a box inside of a box. Well, okay. I thought the first box was going to be too small for everything that's supposed to have. And the box that's in it's even smaller. So, well, let's take a look. Go ahead and cut it open like this. Okay, so here's the kit. So here's the clamps. And there's actually quite a few of these. I'm pretty impressed with that. Now the posts themselves, the hangers themselves, I kind of expected them to be a bit more than this, but that's okay. Let's see here. How long are they? So they're 40 centimeters each. What are they made out of? They're made out of like fiberglass, it looks like. How many do I have here? $42, $44. Slide it in like this. Well, that was easy. And just slide it in like this. And then you can make your hoop. Well, I am going to install some of these to see how they go. And then we've got the clamps. Let's take a look at the clamps here. Now these clamps are to hold the plastic in place. Here's a little piece of plastic. So we'll pretend this is the plastic that I'm going to be putting on. Oh, okay. Yeah. I get it. And these clips just hold that plastic to the rod. So, well, that's pretty clever, actually. Now, the rods themselves should be pretty UV safe, but I'm not sure about the plastic pieces. I'm hoping that these don't end up breaking down eventually in the UV light. So, not too bad. We'll set it up tomorrow and I'll get a much better idea of how I feel about them then. But my initial thought is so far not too bad. Not too bad. They seem pretty solid. Okay. We're going to install these hoops today. But I got to go ahead and open this up. Ah, the krabbies are doing really well. They look healthy. First time I've actually seen them for a while. Take out these tomato cages. This was my temporary. One thing I forgot to show earlier was these did come with a pair of gloves too. Bring the kit over here. These are really easy to put together. It doesn't need to be really tall. These are low plants. I think I'm going to see what. What's 4 going to give me? I think I need one more. That looks pretty good. That should be a good height. Let's cover this thing up and see how it works. Well, look at that. Try to put a couple of these clips on. Okay, that works pretty good. Now, I don't know how long any of this stuff will last. Only time's going to tell that. But as far as ease of use goes, yeah, it doesn't get much easier. That's nice. Hopefully that'll get my peppers out earlier this year. Cool. Very cool. You guys get something out of that. Like, share, and subscribe. Nice. I'm impressed.